I couldn't help it. I had to binge watch them because Ryul put me under his spell.
내 마술에 걸려서 여기 다시 오게 된 거야.
My brain for the next few days.
한 나라 수만 나라 한 나라 수만 나라.
I absolutely love this show. The songs are catchy, the acting is amazing, not to mention the male leads are hot AF. Ji Chang-wook looks like a legit prince.
당신 마술을 믿습니까?
Only if you do this spell on me.
오 팬티.
뭐 예를 들어서 나한테 마술 배우기 같은 거?
I volunteer as tribute.
If I had to sit this close to Il-dung, I would probably keep drooling and pass out on a daily basis. Can someone explain to me how he is 31 and acting as a high school student? He must be a vampire who doesn't age. You can't convince me otherwise. Il-dung driving versus Il-dung driving as crazy.
생겼다. 잘생기면 다 오빠.
Ryul with IE versus Ryul with everyone else. This girl is pretty annoying. Loved it when Bella showed her the middle finger. On a more serious note, I love the lessons from this show so much. To those who don't know this, I am a dentist. Most days are fun, but sometimes work feels like a chore I am doing to earn money, which is exactly why I started this YouTube channel. I want to have a better work-life balance. Starting a YouTube channel was a very scary decision for me, but watching this show reminded me of why I started in the first place.
하기 싫은 일을 하는 만큼 네가 하고 싶은 일도 하라는 거지.
Thank you writers for giving us this beautiful drama and for reminding us that flowers can't bloom on a cold and lifeless asphalt road. I hope that, like me, you don't stop chasing after your dreams and all your wishes come true. Anara Sumanara.